Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're looking at our blue healer board here for Neil Reschlin for his VW transporters. And this is our new 200 amp hour CANbus Lithium. And to see the CANbus, we touch the screen here, go into the menu and see the batteries coming up there. 95% state of charge, CANbus BMS. And there's absolutely no shunt here. There's just got the CANbus cable here. That's just going straight into the turbo up the top there. We've got our Wago fusing, all LED lit, the double terminations, inverter charger, AC out. And we're using this Argo FET because he's got the alternator controller in the front of the Volkswagen, charging up to 200 amps into the rear. And it's quite a neat installation for him. The solar is in there as well. And look at the size of that. 200 amp hours, 2 kilowatt inverter and 200 amp hours of alternator charging. How good's that?